She's like, what's on? Come on, you chubby monkey. Hey, chubby monkey. Hey. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Come here. Yeah, poop. That's what I smell. Poop.
Yeah, that's what puppies do.
Can you show me? What? Hi.
Oh, she's following you.
Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, puppy. Puppy. Yeah. Let's go all the way down there.
Hey.
Where did
Oh, I bet that's tall
go?
grass for you, huh?
Pearl. Hey, come on. Yes.
Oh, that baby wants you to hold her.
Please come.
She liked you to hold her like that?
Just stay right there, Shelly. Don't move. Oh, she's so cute.
Okay. You want to put her down and let her play?
She's like, I want to play.
You want to play?
Put her down.
There we go.
Oh, her little tail. Come here. Where am I going, Mom? Where am I going?
Come here.
I need to come back. Can I come? Mom, are we on the garden or
Hi,
all
baby.
the way down there?
No, we're not going down there, Shelly.
Why? I want to go down there.
Okay, we can go there in a minute. You want to walk down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we go walk down there?
You want to walk down to the pond?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we go down there
We
now?
can walk down that way.
Oh, can we go down there?
Uh-huh.
Now? That's gonna be awesome. I want to go down there now.
Okay, call the puppy.